am Jake with the new UV dishwasher. This special dishwasher allows you to use UV light to clean your dishes. All you need to do is take a wet washcloth, wipe them off, and then bam, you'll have a better, shinier dish. I'll hand it on over to Sam for how this is better than a normal dishwasher.
Yeah. The risks of the UV dishwasher. Number one, it could overheat if you put water in it. Like, if you just put a whole glass of water or something, or there's a bunch of water in it, it's gonna probably cause fire and maybe blow up. If it's just a little bit of water, like left over from where you're wiping off the surface stuff nicely, then it will probably not cause a fire or any damage because it is water resistant, but if you pour water in, it will make big boom boom. Number 15, Burger King foot lettuce will not work in this. Number 2, it could cause skin damage if you put your hand in it while the lights are on, but you don't have to do that because there's a switch, so if you just make sure the switch is turned off, then you're good. The rewards, it's cheaper off the bat because all it is LEDs and heaters because it heats to sanitize a little bit too. And the LEDs use less power than the water heater would for a traditional dishwasher, and you use way less water. So that saves money. It saves money, it pays for itself. It's cheaper than a normal dishwasher anyway. And it's just cooler. Like, you get that clout factor, just like AirPods or your Samsung Smart Fridge. You're just cooler if you have those. If you have the
What? Hi, I'm Jake with the
Yeah!
wet washcloth. Dang it, Parker! Wet washcloth. Dang it, Parker! Dang it, Parker! Wet washcloth. Dang it, Parker! I am Jake with the new UV dishwasher.
Oh. Hi, I'm Sam. I'm on Tinder, ladies.
What? Hi, I'm Jake with the new UV dishwasher.
Yeah!
Hi, I'm Jake with the new UV dishwasher.
What is happening?
It's not Jake farted. The risk of the UV dishwasher script. Dang it. Switch. So when you turn off the switch and you open it and you put your stuff in, and you then you close it and turn the switch on. So that's how it works. You no hablo español. Anyway, you gotta. Okay, cut. Jake, that was perfect.